Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the international week has started with a financial market rout as the bears come out to play. There's been a dramatic risk-off mood sweeping over markets today, with commodity prices slumping, equity markets falling sharply, benchmark bond yields diving, and the US dollar streaking higher. The rise of the pandemic Delta variant now has investor attention. In France, there was an interesting pandemic development where they switched from encouragement to threats to improve their vaccination rate. France is a hotbed of vaccination conspiracy theories, and it said it would end free tests for those who wanted to travel or attend events. The effect was dramatic, with 926,000 people making a vaccine appointment after that. Adding to unease, the United States accused China's Ministry of State Security of a global cyber espionage campaign, mustering an unusually broad coalition of countries to publicly call out Beijing for hacking that included the EU, Japan, Australia and New Zealand. ANZ Commodity Tracker is suggesting that the strong recovery growth in commodity demand and prices may be petering out. High-frequency data are pointing to a soft patch ahead for commodity markets. Nevertheless, the absolute level of demand growth is still high, they say. Ongoing supply-side issues in many markets may support prices for a while yet, however. The Baltic Dry Index rose yesterday. Of particular interest to us is how dairy prices are tracking, as there is another auction tomorrow morning. At this point, the local futures market is pointing to a 3.5% fall for whole milk powder and a small 0.4% dip for skim milk powder. Wall Street has opened this week down 2.1% in afternoon trade and falling. Overnight, European markets followed the Tokyo lead, with falls averaging 2.5%. Yesterday, the wobbles started first in Tokyo with a 1.3% drop, followed by Hong Kong, which was down 1.8%. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today just on 1.18% and down a dramatic 13 basis points as Wall Street opens for the new week. Almost all the shift is at the long end. And the price of gold is now just on $1,808 an ounce, which is down another $4 from this time yesterday. And oil prices have slumped today by more than $5. Now in the US, they're just over $66 a barrel, while the international Brent price is now just on $68 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today just under 69.3 US cents, and a 70 basis point fall as the greenback surges. Against the Australian dollar, we're unchanged at 94.6 Australian cents, but against the euro, we're down 50 basis points at 58.8 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 72.4. And let us know what you think of these issues in the comments below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.